Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eris. If this is your first time here, I am one crafty mama and owner of Heart of a Child Embroidery Designs. My shop can be found on Etsy. Today I am showing you guys how I store my fabrics. If you're anything like me, then you have a ton of fabrics. And as they were accumulating, I had a shelf on the wall that just hung out from the wall, and I would stack and fold my fabrics on there. But as it got higher, it got heavier, and yeah, my shelf collapsed. So that's when I knew it was time to find a better way to store my fabrics. So I searched around trying to find different ways. Some people actually have them in different shelving units. They fold them up really nice and neatly every time they use them. And I wanted something that would fit my space here, because I don't have a lot of space, but fit my space here. I have these cabinets behind me, as you can see. There's some here in the view, but I was like, I can't really buy any other like piece of furniture to put in here because I'm just running low. But I came across a video, I think it was Monogram Mompreneur or something like that. I'll put her information below, but I found her video and she was showing how she used these comic book boards, and I was like, what is a comic book board? And as I watched it, I was like, oh my gosh, that is just what I needed. So I'm gonna do a video showing you guys how I store my fabrics. Okay, you guys, so here are the comic book boards that I use. This is the size that I use. They do believe they come in a larger size as well, so depending on, you know, how much fabric you have, the size of your fabric pieces, you may want to go with a larger size. I usually get 1 yard to 1/4 of my fabric, so it fits this just fine. You can find this on Amazon. I'll link it below. But essentially, you guys, it's just little pieces of like cardboard, little pieces of cardboard. And I just use this and fold my fabrics on it, and I pin it, and that is it. Like, this is all you need to store your fabrics. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it with different sizes. So what I'm going to do is just unfold the fabric. Usually has that one little piece that I can't do anything with. I will say, if you would like to maybe save those for your really small pieces, but typically I don't keep anything that small. So alright, so here's my fabric, and I'm gonna lay it out just like this here. Take my piece of cardboard, and I like to put it like about right here. I like a little bit left to fold in, but not necessarily in the middle. So I take it like this, and I like to fold it down first. So fold it down over, fold it up and over like that, because I want my edges covered. And then I take this part here, kind of pull it a little and smooth it out like that. Okay, and that is it, you guys. And then you just fold it over like so. Fold it, and I fold it again. And then I take one of these little pins, stick pins, and I'm running out of them. You can use 2 if you like and pin each side. I typically just pin one side. And I just take it, stick it in there. That's it. That's it. That's all I do. And then I just stick it in the shelf. It's so easy. So easy. I was so grateful when I saw that video. So that's how I do. Let's do a larger size. This is some fabric that I purchased. I believe I purchased this one from Walmart, and this is also this is actually a yard, and I'm going to use this as like my skin tones fabric. But I'm going to open it all the way up. Well, not all the way, just halfway. So I take it and I only open it, I leave it folded where it's half folded, and I roll it from here. You can open it all the way, but you're gonna have a really fat piece of fabric around that board, and it's not gonna look too nice. So I typically leave it folded like this, And of course I'm gonna turn it with ways like that. Let me see if I can zoom you guys out. No, this is a big piece of fabric. All right. Okay, so you guys can see I have a piece here and I just have it widthways. Okay, now I'm going to take another board just like this. I'm going to put it again, not quite in the center, a little off center to the right, well, my right here. And I mean, you guys, I do the same thing. Fold it down, and it already has that fold in there the way that it was folded up, so that helps. Fold it this way. Okay, take this piece, fold it over, and then I just fold. Just like that. That's it. And whenever I need, you know, the fabric, I just unpin it. Usually I don't need anything too large, so maybe I'll just cut here or here and fold it back, right back like I had it. I don't have to unfold the whole thing to get a piece of the fabric out. That is the biggest point here, biggest takeaway. So I take another pin, so stick pin, go right in here, stick it through. There you have it. Now for this one, because it is a yard of fabric, I may put another pin here just because it's so much. There we go. That is it, you guys. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you.